everybody, and welcome back to Stride. Today I will be showing you how to add a horse. This is a really important step because you will have to add a horse that you would like to enter to a show. So I will say, if this is the first video that you're watching, please go ahead and check out the video listed in the comments, which is a quick how to navigate Stride video, which that will make a lot more sense and help understand what it is that I'm talking about. So I would recommend watching that one first. But for those of you who have been to Stride before, welcome back, and I will be showing you how to add a horse. So what you're going to have to do is obviously be logged into the Stride app and then go to your horses or your stables, which is that middle button on that bottom toolbar. And this will take you to your, what I call stables. So this will list every horse that you have. As you can see, we have one listed right here. If you would like to add another one, let's say this one isn't showing in the upcoming show, that is fine. You don't have to remove that horse. You can leave it there for if and when you were to ever enter that horse in a later show. But I need to add one horse that is going to be showing in the upcoming show. So go ahead and click the Add a Horse button. And then what you will need to do is choose the registry. This needs to match what is on the horse's paperwork. So for this example, this horse that I am entering right now is actually a purebred, but I selected a half Arab. So I'm just going to show you that it does double check that the information that you put in is correct. So again, if I try to add this horse, it will say incorrect credentials above. I will go ahead and change it to a purebred. And then I do want to make a note that with registration numbers, normally there are zeros in front of these numbers. You do not need to put that in there. So go ahead and hit Add Horse. And as you will see, it will take you back to the first landing page. So you will just need to go back into the stables or your horses. And you will see that it is listed right here and has come up. So you can keep adding as many horses as you need. Like I said, some will have 1 to 20 plus horses listed here. That is not a problem. And you can have as many horses listed in here as you want, whether they are showing in the upcoming show. So hopefully that makes sense. For example, let's say this horse is the one that is showing, but this one's not. They can both stay in here. If you click on the horse's profile, you will be able to see more information, their name, their number, their breeding, what my connection is to the horse. You can go into the details. This is a very important step. You will have to upload the registration and an updated Coggins for the horse. This is required for most shows, so please make sure that you add that in there as well. If you want to change your horse's picture, you just go ahead, select the picture, and then select any images that you would want. If you go back to the details and select people, this is a really cool function. So a lot of people have their horses in training, and a lot of those barns will have what we call a barn manager who enters all the horses to whatever upcoming show they're attending. So let's say I'm the owner of the 2 horses that I added, but I am not the one that is going to be entering them into the show. I can go ahead and add somebody, which in this situation would be the barn manager, so that they on their end can go in and add my horse to a show. So what you would do is just search their name and then hit add, and it would come up. You can also delete the person as well. So let's say this horse is no longer showing or you're no longer with that barn. You can delete that person from being able to manage that horse. So what a manager is able to do is enter the horse, add any documentation, any cards, any Coggins, anything like that. So you are always able to delete anybody. And then if you are the owner, you will see down below on the bottom, it says, do you own this horse? You can confirm and then hit send email. And that way, that's just us verifying. We send an email that is on file with AHA, and that's just how we confirm that the information is correct and that you are the owner. Thank you so much for watching How to Add Horses.